Do you find yourself internally making a lot of excuses or hearing yourself inside your head go, yeah, but all of this boils down to a conversation around commitment. It's fascinating working with people because when it comes down to it, most people are interested in changing something in their life, or they're interested in gaining new knowledge, or they're interested in creating a different result. A lot of people are interested in change, and change will never happen just because you're interested in it. Change only happens when you commit, and not just kind of commit. Commit fully, 100% commitment. And in my experience, most people don't know what that really means or what that really takes. Most people have a level of commitment that they're used to functioning in their life. When you actually understand and embrace 100% commitment, everything changes. Because 100% commitment means no excuses. 100% commitment means no, yeah, but. 100% commitment means you do what it is you say you're going to do regardless of the circumstances that are around you. When you actually embrace 100% commitment in your life, everything will change forever for good. So what are you actually committed to? What do you actually want to see happen in the next year in your life? What are you passionate enough about to actually change? My father, Brian Klemmer, used to always say, it's the most committed in life who win.